When you download an AI model, you'll most often run into the safetensors extension. But if you look at older or more specialized versions, formats like PTH, ckpt, or even ONNX might pop up. But what is the difference between them? And why did the entire industry switch to safetensors practically overnight? The story started with ckpt, which stands for checkpoint. This format originates from the early days of the PyTorch framework, and it was soon followed by the PTH extension. Behind these older formats were the developers at Meta. However, there was a massive security flaw with these legacy formats. They relied on Python's pickle technology to save the data. This technology was capable of hiding and executing arbitrary computer code right alongside the mathematical weights. In practice, this meant that if you downloaded a PTH or ckpt file from an untrusted source, a hacker could easily take control of your computer in the background and steal your passwords. To patch this massive security vulnerability, Hugging Face developed a brand new format called safetensors. This format contains exclusively the model's weights, meaning pure, raw mathematical data, and absolutely zero executable code, making it completely immune to viruses. On top of that, graphics cards can read it much faster. But what about the ONNX format? ONNX was developed by Microsoft and its partners, and it is essentially the universal translator of AI models. If you convert a model to ONNX, it can run on almost any system, even in a web browser or on a phone, with incredible speed. Since ONNX doesn't use the dangerous Python pickle technology either, it is just as clean and safe as safetensors from a security standpoint. So, the rule of thumb is simple. Whenever possible, steer clear of PTH and ckpt files. If you are using Comfy UI or Stable Diffusion, always choose safetensors. But if you are thinking about cross-platform development or running models on the web, ONNX is your friend. If you liked this explanation, follow the channel for more useful AI info and tips.